Go. Hi, I'm Rayna Lumbard, and I had the honor of being here with Michelle and Eliyahu and this amazing group of people at the integration of the Divine Feminine and Divine Masculine play shop here in beautiful Fairfax. And I'm telling you, I was literally called to be here looking at their invitation on my computer. The screen just lit up and I got such a wow, yes, I have to be there. And I am so glad I came. It was a phenomenal experience. Just the processes they took us through and the creations that we made that helped us really be in touch with all the love and all the joy in us, and how to integrate our masculine feminine selves in such a beautiful way to be of service on the planet and be the light workers that we came here to be. And I'm totally stoked about what I received today, and come play with us.